And our Antweight masters are going in one door down, one door up once again. Ladybug with a vertical spinner. Very narrow, it's almost like a wheel, but totally not a FingerTech kit. Right now getting their first pin, looking to rack up some points. And flipping Ladybug upside down for a moment. You can see the power of the impact of that wheel if Ladybug is able to get a connection onto a vulnerable spot on totally not a FingerTech kit though. There is always risk with these heavier robots of being sent flying across the arena. However, totally not a FingerTech kit right now has had their position reversed, and Ladybug has scored its own pin, looking to rack up its own points for the judges and keep things close. Both robots are probably hoping that things don't go to 3 minutes, though it's a really neck and neck one if it goes to the scorecards at the moment. Each one taking their turns, grabbing a pin against each other against the walls. Ladybug hoping to engage their weapon and get an opportunity to cause some damage here. But FingerTech kit looking to pilot their way to a ring out. Hoping to replicate the performance of other wedge builds before them. Right now, though, it is a tactical matchup. Both of them jockeying for position, but that is a potential double ring out. Can FingerTech kit double? There we go! That's a knockout for totally not a FingerTech kit. Congratulations.
But that would be a count out versus the knockout.
Yeah, that would be a count out then.
Yeah.
All right. There's a technical victory still, folks.
So that was blue square can.
And congratulations to totally not a FingerTech kit. Ladybug still has a chance in that lower bracket.